Hey guys, it's Sammy and welcome to my what I look like after shower video. Hi Phoebe, you want to say hi? Say hi boo boo. Mew mew mew. That's not really what the video is, but technically it's an undertone because I just got out the dang shower. I'm having a nice drinky drink. I was just gonna film this tomorrow, like after work, when I'm like have all my makeup done, have my hair done, and I look like really good. But I don't have the patience to wait for something like that. And I got this yesterday and I still haven't opened it. So like the fact that I waited this long is amazing. So this is the Jeffree Star mystery box. And so I got the smallest one because number one, I am cheap. Number two, all the other ones were sold out. I cannot believe I even got this one, which is freaking awesome because usually I don't ever, unless it's something that I'm like dying for, I don't sit and wait for it to go on sale and then buy it. I was just lucky. Like I just happened to see it. Like I'm like, this is one of the ones where it's like, okay, definitely gonna get that if I see it. But you know what? Even if the other ones weren't sold out, I probably would have gotten the little one too, because I'm cheap. So I want to open this right now. Whoa, I don't know how to open anything. This is very hard. Oh! Seriously, how do you open this? Oh, oh. I've never done an unboxing on my channel and I'm not sure if this is going too well. Did I like forget to like, oh, sorry Phoebe. I like forgot to like, oh my gosh, did I get a pop socket? Oh my god, I got a pop socket. I've been wanting, oh my god. It's absolutely perfect because then I will have Shane and I will have Jeffree and it's perfect. Phoebe, you're gonna knock down my camera. I have been wanting to, Phoebe, I have been wanting to for a long time and I have never known like what I wanted. Ew, stop. She is licking the condensation off my water bottle. You nesty. No, no. Phoebe. But oh my god, look at this pop socket. I am so excited. Okay, what's this? Oh, it's a lipstick beach. What is that? That is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Like not even just with lipsticks, but like anything. It's just so, like the packaging is so, why is it so beautiful? The only product I have of Jeffree's is the Magic Star Concealer, which I love, by the way. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Oh, I got two of them. I was worried that it was gonna be stuff that I wouldn't use. I mean, I'm a little on the fence about the color of this one though. It's the First Class because I don't go crazy with my colors, but this pink one is Scandal and that one is something that I would wear. It's so pretty. Oh, that's my shoulder popped. I just turned 24, so you know that's gonna start happening, you know what I'm saying? Should I try these? I'm so excited about my pop socket though. If that was the only thing that came in this box, I would be good to go. And I'm wondering, I have not watched anybody else's videos or anything like that. I wonder if other people who got this small one, if they got the same thing, or if they just got two lipsticks and a pop socket, or maybe they got, like, I don't know how variety it is. How variety it is. Let's try this yellow, the First Class. That's a lot cuter than I would think. This is not my normal and I look insane right now because the rest of my face does not have makeup on it. If I was like, hi Phoebe. If I was like going out and this like matched my, and I have been loving gold lately. I was never a gold person up until like in the past few months, but if I was going out and I was like having like if I had like a gold look going on and I was like feeling like crazy, I would totally wear this. Okay, let's try the pink one. It what was it called? Scandal. Does it say it on here? See, this is how much I'm not a YouTuber guru, is because the colors are definitely on the bottom and not just on the box. Oh my god, I love it. I can definitely wear this on a daily basis. I might wear it tomorrow. Okay, now is the time. I am so excited for this. The scariest part about a pop socket is making sure they're where you want it. So I've been dying to have two, and now it's perfect because I already have Shane's and now I'm gonna have Jeffree's. Okay, let's see. So this is where I hold it really low. Because my fingers are so stubby and this is so freaking big. Okay, yes, this is what I was thinking. Like diagonal from it. Oh my god, this is like so meant to be. I can't. Don't screw up. Don't screw up. Oh my god, it sounded like I was singing Pet Cheetah from 21 Pilots. Pet Cheetah. I'm doing it. I'm setting it in. I am locking in my answer. It looks kind of janky just because of the placements, but when you have hands like this and each of your fingers are ½ an inch long, you have to adjust your life. We are in business. I can be like this. I can be like this. Oh, I can do like double hands. And my phone has never been able to do like this, and now it does. I know you can't see it, but it's doing it. Oh my god. All right guys, that was really fun. I know, I'm sorry for the way I look. I just couldn't, I really wanted to open them right now and I just couldn't wait. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time.